And as traders, we can make some money, guys. Other people struggle and we are making money, even if the world feels like it's about to end, Traders are making money, the markets are always moving. In times of depression or recession, the markets even have even more volatility most of the time, so there are much more opportunities, You just have to find a way how to crack the code, play the game, have good risk-reward ratios, find good entries, just making good business in general. What's going on? What's going on? Good morning, fellas. I hope you're all having a great time. It's Friday. The week is nearly over. Already banged around 150 grand today. And I still got some positions running. But it's looking like Dow Jones is about to hit the stop. I already banked some profits on the way down. And then I decided to scale in again, move my stop above the structure and see if we can get that big move, like that big drop. Maybe the stop is too tight, but I don't want to give back too much of my profits. I want to end this day with a really nice profit to end the week with an awesome result. Same thing on DAX. I decided to scale in again on DAX, but it's looking like we gonna hit the stop loss right now. So yeah, but let's wait for that. And on gold, I was like, alright, yesterday we had this move, this big move over here. Then the market came down exactly the same way, pretty strong. Hit all the stops, and then I decided to get in with my buy position, and look for taking profits somewhere around in this area, and then try to let it run for even a higher target. Easy trade, guys. News event was kicking in, pushed the price heavy, stopped out all these sellers, came back strong, stopped out all the buyers, and now it's going slowly up. This is what I was expecting, because I know these moves, I've seen them a lot, So yeah, I'm just chilling right now. Already banked 150 grand. Look at that. These are the closed trades that already closed today. This is Dow Jones, made 21 grand, 14 grand on DAX. GBPUSD gave me around 28,000. Then this morning, gold was still in the range, and I decided to close half of my position at around break even, just to take some risk off the table, because I wanted to end the week. With a really nice result, so I decided to take half of my risk off the table, just in case the market moves against me. So now I'm only with half of the position size in the market, but I will try to let these positions run, because it's not that much risk. I think the risk is around, risk is around 20 grand, which is like 35%, 0.35% risk. And it's all good. Risk management runs awesome. These are positions that I've banked this morning, 6 o'clock on DAX, 40 grand, Dow Jones, 40 grand. And these positions are around 150 grand. Now let's see what we got on Dow Jones, if it stops us out or if it will make the final push to the downside. We don't know yet, but we have to let it run. We could scale in again with another 25 lot because we got that good entry. If we lose this one, we are about to lose like 1,500, which is not a big deal. Let's take another one. So now we got another 100 lot in the game. If it drops, beautiful. Sorry, we got another 50 lot in the game, but these are positions that I opened lately, so we got another 100 lot in the game. If we can manage to make this drop, this breakthrough through this level, would be amazing. Then we would have a big day today. Let's see, maybe we can do it. On DAX it's looking like it's coming back again. Oh, really? It nearly hit the stop. But yeah, anyways, let's see what is going to happen on these markets. And GBPUSD, guys, was beautiful as well. I was scaling in again over here already. I think I already closed small position size on GBPUSD. Yeah, I already banked 28,000. Now I have one more running with 10 grand and one more with 33 grand, and it's still running. And if that's the drop, guys, it will slap through these things easy. Like we're gonna see I think we're gonna see some strong movements over here because it's like compression zone. All these stops sitting there. If it slashed through them, we're gonna see a big move, you know. And let's see, maybe we can bank on that one. This one was pretty nice. Yesterday I asked the team if GBPUSD is about to turn again. I mean, it came back in that zone where it dropped. I don't know, couple of times. It dropped a couple of times from here, and it was not breaking through these levels. So all I was waiting for was to price get into these zone, and then show me kind of a reversal, show me signs of a reversal, you know. Like I wanted to see that the price starts to slow down a little bit. And then when I saw before the market closed that a bigger structure is about to form over here, I was getting in, stop above the structure, and then just waited. Then I just waited because I expected the market to come down again after that strong move. What was going to that was going to happen yesterday when the news started to kick in, this move, most of the times the market will come back, you know. If it goes strong in one direction, many times it will do what normal people don't expect. It will come back, you know. So we just have to catch the moment when it's about to twist, about to turn, to reverse, and then we can make some serious coins. Yeah. So these are the open trades running. I would love to see DAX coming down, but I cannot do anything about it. Just wait. Let's see. At the moment it looks pretty bullish. Market is pushing, but we have many stops sitting over here, so would be great if the market makers want to grab them. Let's see. Overall, the economic situation is not that strong through the virus, and I mean, this was what happened during the pandemic, and this, if in relation to the real economics, it's far away from reality, and there will be the time when it snapped back, you know. yeah, we have to try to catch we have to try to catch these moves. Let's see. I'm ready for it. I'm going to search for sell opportunities, and one day it will just smash through all these levels. I'm sure it will. Let's see. It will happen soon, I think. Yeah. And as traders, we can make some money, guys. Other people struggle and we are making money, even if the world feels like it's about to end, you know. Traders are making money, the markets are always moving. In times of depression or recession, the markets even have even more volatility most of the time, so there are much more opportunities, you know. You just have to find a way how to crack the code, play the game, have good risk-reward ratios, find good entries, just making good business in general, you know. I mean, trading, you have to treat it like a business. If you're selling things online, you try to get a good price and sell it for a higher price, you know. But the thing is, in trading, most of the traders, they are not patient enough to wait for the market to get to their price where they want to trade it. You know, most of them cannot wait for that moment, and this is one of the hardest part in this industry. It's like waiting for the moment, waiting for the setup to form, and then stepping into the game. Most of the traders are not patient enough. They are not patient enough to wait for their setup, for their game, you know. And this is why they lose. Start revenge trading, getting bad entries. You know, it happened to me for a long time as well. Because I'm trading for 10 years now, and when I was 16, I started, and the first, I think it was around 4 years or something like that. First 4 years were horrible, man. I'm telling you, I've tried so many things, and I was just not patient enough, you know. Got this ADHD, cannot sit in front of the computer all day, like need to move, need to play basketball, football, whatever. And yeah, had a little bit of a casino mentality. And yeah, it gave me hard times. It gave me really hard times to master this game. Some people, they are more patient, and they have the ability to play this game patiently, you know. Some people, they are like me, they need some more time until they understand. Bro, it hurts if you're not patient, you know. It hurts, it makes you feel stupid. And yeah, to avoid this feeling, you really need discipline. Write down a game plan, and if you're not sticking to it, man, give yourself a slap in the face, man, for real. Like, you cannot break your rules. I've broken my rules so many times, man, and it hurts. It makes you feel stupid. Why am I doing this, man? It just makes you feel like you're a dumb idiot, you know. So, man, set up a game plan. If you need some help with that, let me know. You can drop me a message in Telegram. The link is down below in the description. Join my free chat if you need some help. I'm sharing analysis, results, motivational stuff. Like, I'm sharing a lot of stuff in my free channel as well. And yeah, check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course. Even if you're a beginner or if you're an advanced trader, I got all the strategies that I'm using inside of this course. And yeah, we're a lot of traders who are in the group chat where you can connect with. And yeah, and keep hustling, guys. Keep hustling. Enjoy your weekend. I think I'm going to finish my week pretty soon. I will take some more risk off the table, bank some profits, and try to let some of the position run. Let's see, GBPUSD looks pretty nice. Look at that. It just keeps on falling. It's awesome. It's awesome. We got 35 and around 11. That's 45,000 on GBPUSD. Beautiful. So yeah, that's being said, guys, I hope you could bank on some of these trades. I'm not always sharing all the trades that I take in the free chat, because I got some students who paid for the course who are in the inner circle, and they get all the stuff that I'm doing, you know. So if you want to feel a little bit VIP, you know, and get the masterclass course, it's a one-time fee for lifetime membership. No hidden fees. You get lifetime updates. If I'm doing something new in the course, you will get it. And yeah, you have lifetime group chat membership, and yeah, everything you need is in there. Just check it out and enjoy your weekend. Wish you all the best, guys. Peace out.
Every time I